ritmo es all you need, all you need, all you need. El ritmo es all you need, all you need.
Hello boys and girls, I'm Val.
I'm Georgia.
And today we're going to
Dance!
Today we're going to dance. So we're from El Ritmo South American Dance Academy, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to show you some steps, and then you're going to follow us, and then we're going to try with some music. Right, let's get ready. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, boys and girls. So this is what we're going to do first. We're going to bring our feet together, and we're going to start moving our hips side to side. That's it. You can also bend your knees. From there, we're going to add our arms forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Well done. From there, we're going to go to the side. So we're going to take a step to the side and our arms are going to come out. That's it. And together. Step to the other side and together. Step out and together. Step out and together. Well done. After that, we're going to bring our knees up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 knees up. Well done. From there, we are going to do our chorus. And it goes like this. Take your arms up and down. Sorry, up and over. That's it. Bring your arms forward. And then find your hands and you're going to flick it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And from there, we're going to go hand out, cross, hand, cross. And
We got it.
big jump. Yes. Well done, boys and girls. Are you ready to do it with the music?
Yeah.
We are ready.
No sé qué está pasando, que todo está al revés, que tú ya no me besas, tal como ayer, que anoche en la playa no me dejaste amarte, algo entre nosotros no va bien. No culpes a la noche, no culpes a la playa, no culpes a la lluvia, ¿será que no me amas? No culpes a la noche, no culpes a la playa, no culpes a la lluvia, ¿será que no me amas?
No busques más disculpas, no siento tus caricias y ya no eres la misma y que yo amé. Te veo tan distante, te siento tan distinta, hay dentro de ti otra mujer.
No culpes a la noche, no culpes a la playa, no culpes a la lluvia, ¿será que no me amas? No culpes a la noche, no culpes a la playa, no culpes a la lluvia, ¿será que no me amas? No sé qué está pasando, que todo está al revés, pero ya no lucho. ¿Cómo ves? Ayer no te importaba amar bajo la lluvia, hoy no te diviertes, ya lo sé. No culpes a la noche, no culpes a la playa, no culpes a la lluvia, ¿será que no me amas? No culpes a la noche, no culpes a la playa, no culpes a la lluvia, ¿será que no me amas? Noche, no culpes a la playa, no culpes a la lluvia, ¿será que no me amas? No culpes a la noche, playa, lluvia, ¿será que no me amas?
Thank you guys for watching. Do you have fun?
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.
El ritmo es all you need, all you need, all you need.